So since today is World Chocolate Day, I've decided to make you a lovely chocolate cookie. Now I really don't know anyone who can resist a chocolate cookie. Me, definitely not. So let's get baking. I have my brown sugar here. My caster sugar is of a different grain size. I'm going to just blitz this a little nutmeg. So in this mixie there is cinnamon, there is cardamom, and there is a little star anise. A little flour into this so that I can blitz this properly. This is done. I'm going to leave this aside. I'm going to melt this butter. Butter is completely melted. Pour this butter into my sugar mix. Most of the time, a lot of cookie recipes asks you to add a pinch of salt. Now the reason I don't need to add a pinch of salt is because our butter is anyway salted. Whisk. 1 whole egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In this goes our Maida, and then goes the bit which has all the spices in it. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Whisk together the flour, the sugar, the egg, and the baking soda. Oh my god, this is so tough. Our cookie dough is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some dark chocolate, some milk chocolate. Mix this all in. I'm going to let this rest in the fridge for half an hour. So it's been about half an hour, and here we have our really chilled cookie dough and ice cream. Into the oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. But my son, who actually found this recipe for me, has told me that I should keep it only for 12 minutes, not 15 minutes, because at 15 minutes it loses its softness. Like a wonderful mom, I am going to listen to my son and pull out 1 tray at 12 minutes and keep the other tray in for 15 minutes. This is the 15-minute batch. So this is the 12-minute one, which is softer, and this is the 15-minute one, which is slightly crispier. If you like a soft, gooey cookie, then you take this cookie out after 12 minutes. And if you like it a little crisper, then you take it out after 15 minutes. But the point is, make and bake these cookies and have a wonderful World Chocolate Day.